Drafting details of long sleeve open shirt, front part with grading. Introduction. This is a common wear or man used to wear as a upper for show coverage. The salient feature of this shirt, formal dress used for official purpose. The front opening with the button fastening. Left side or chest pocket, long sleeve with the cuffs and linked button is also the main. Selected fabric, poplin, cotton, silk, capri, polyester, Oxford cotton. Materials requirement 2.5 meter. Cloth width is 36 inch. 2.75 yards. Measurement required. Shirt measurement size XS, S, M, L, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. See the measurement as value. Size XS, S, M, L, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. Today I first make L size. Length 29.5 inch, chest 42 inch, waist 40 inch, hip 43 inch, shoulder 17 inch, neck 16 by 16 half inch, sleeve 25 inch, bicep 20 inch, elbow at 18 inch, cup 10.5. So after making L size, XL grading will be grade big, and a small M, S, XL is minus, left toe minus, and right toe plus. After L size making, then I will grade accordingly size measurement. Let's see how to draft shirt pattern. Draw vertical a line. This is center front line. Draw horizontally a line. This is neck shoulder line. Here I make shoulder slope. Chest 42 divided by 24. We get 1.75. Shoulder slope. Armhole deep 42 divided by 4. 10.5. 1 inch minus 9.5 inch. Armhole deep. Narrow waist length 16.5 inch. Shirt length 29.5 inch. 1 inch plus seam margin. Drawing shoulder line, armhole deep line, narrow waist line, bottom hip line. Now here I make neck, half neck width, neck 16 divided by 6. We get 258. This is neck width. Also here 258 inch. Front neck deep, front neckline, round neckline, shoulder 17 inch, half 8.5 inch, half inch seam margin, front shoulder line, this armhole line, shoulder 4.2 armhole deep, 7.5 inch, half 3/4 inch. Here I take 3/4 inside, front across front line, 1/4 chest, 42 divided by 4, 10.5 inch. Half inch seam margin, waist 40 divided by 4, we get 10 inch half inch seam margin, 4.5 inch shirt cap, bottom cap height, hip is 43 divided by 4, we get 10 3/4 half inch seam margin, shirt side seam line, front armhole line, shirt bottom cap height, shirt side seam line, shirt armhole line, front armhole line, front shoulder, front neck line. Here I added 3/4 for button stern line. This is button stern line. 1.5 inch flacket line and seam allowance. 1.5 inch flacket and seam allowance. Green line. Now I make grading L size, XL size, half inch plus, double XL, half inch plus. 3XL half inch plus, 4XL half inch plus, 5XL half inch plus, 6XL half inch plus. M size half inch minus, S size half inch minus, XS size half inch minus. Now this scale half inch is grading scale, working 18 scale, half inch big size plus, small size minus. XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. M size, S size, double XS size. Here also bottom hip half inch plus for XL, half inch plus for double XL, half inch plus for 3XL, half inch plus for 4XL, half inch plus for 5XL, half inch plus for 6XL, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for double XL. Here I grade length half inch plus for XL size, half inch plus for double XL size, half inch plus for 3XL size, half inch plus for 4XL size, half inch plus for 5XL size, half inch plus for 6XL size, half inch plus for XL, half inch plus for double XL, half inch plus for 3XL, half inch plus for 4XL, half inch plus for 5XL, half inch plus for 6XL. XL size, double XL size, 3XL size, 4XL size, 5XL size, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for double XS size, half inch plus XL size, half inch plus double XL size, half inch plus 3XL size, half inch plus 4XL size, half inch plus 5XL size, half inch plus 6XL size. 6XL line, 5XL, 4XL, 3XL, double XL, M size, 6XL, 5XL, 4XL, 3XL, 2XL, XL, L size, XL size, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. M size half inch minus, S size half inch minus, XS size half inch minus. M size side line, S size double XS size, S size bottom, XS, S, M, L, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. Bottom and hip side line grading finish. Now armhole deep grading, half inch S size, M size, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for XS size, half inch plus for XL, half inch plus for double XL size, armhole deep, half inch plus for 3XL size, armhole deep, half inch plus for 4XL size armhole deep, half inch plus for 5XL size armhole deep, half inch plus for 6XL size armhole deep. Now across front grading, half inch plus for XL, half inch plus for double XL, half inch plus for 3XL, half inch plus for 4XL, half inch plus for 5XL, half inch plus for 6XL, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for XS size. Shoulder width grading, half inch plus for XL size, half inch plus for double XL size, half inch plus for 3XL size, half inch plus for 4XL size, half inch plus for 5XL size, half inch plus for 6XL size, half inch minus for M size, half inch minus for S size, half inch minus for XS size. Neck width 18 plus for XL, 18 plus for 2XL, 18 plus for 3XL, 18 plus for 4XL, 18 plus for 5XL, 18 plus for 6XL, 18 minus for M size, 18 minus for S size, 18 minus for XS size. Front neck deep 14 plus for 18, front neck deep 18 plus for 14 plus for front neck deep 14 plus for XL size, 14 plus for double XL size, 14 plus for 3XL size, 14 plus for 4XL, 14 plus for 5XL, 14 plus for 6XL, 14 minus for M size, 14 minus for S size, 14 minus for double XL size. M size for neck, S size for neck, XS size for neck deep, six XL, 5XL, XS size shoulder line, S size shoulder line, M size shoulder line, XL size shoulder line, double XL size shoulder line, 3XL size shoulder line, 4XL size shoulder line, 5XL size shoulder line, 6XL size shoulder line, XS size armhole deep, front armhole line, S size front armhole line, M size front armhole line, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. XL size armhole, double XL size armhole, 3XL size armhole, 4XL size armhole, 4XL size armhole, 5XL size armhole, 6XL size armhole, XS, S, M, L, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL. Front armhole line, S size sizing line, M size sizing line, XL size sizing line, double XL size, double XL size sizing line, 3XL sizing line, 4XL sizing line, 5XL sizing line, 6XL sizing line. Plus for XL, quarter inch plus for double XL, quarter inch plus for 3XL, quarter inch plus for 4XL, quarter inch plus for 5XL, quarter inch plus for 3XL size waist position, 4XL size waist position, 5XL size waist position, 6XL size waist position. Drafting details of long sleeve woven shirt front part with grading. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Comment on this. Next coming back part sleeve collar band with grading.